Hi everyone. In this video I will show you how to create UI for product card. Let's first create the HTML structure. I'm using aside tag for the card. Inside I'm using an image, heading, description, price and add to cart button. Now add background image inside the body. Then set up the section overlay with width, height and flex position. For aside, let's set width and border radius. Quickly set up the image width. To add glass effect on the card, I'm using backdrop filter blur on the aside and background color white with opacity. Also add backdrop filter on section overlay for grayscale, blur and brightness. To add padding on the text, I'm using div with inner class. Now decorate the text. For add to cart button, let's add background color with border radius and also change the color on hover. To make it more attractive, let's add offer tag. Let's position the aside as relative and offer tag as absolute and decorative. After little adjustment, here's the final result. You will find the complete source code in the description below. If you find this helpful, please like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe.